Hey, y'all, I just want to say thank you from the absolute bottom of my heart. Thank you for following me this year. Thank you for subscribing to my channel this year. Thank you for all the amazing comments, all of the emails, all of the questions, all of the support. I thank you so much for making 2018 so awesome for me. And I also want to show you a little bit of what we got going on for 2019. All right, so here we are in my new office. Yay! So these are all First Deal Done Fast boxes, and these are the supplies that go in the boxes before we send them out. Or we got some Private Money Profits, some Apartment Blitz boxes. We got lots of stuff here. And then there's my kitchen. And then this is my planning room. This is where I'm going to be outline everything for Whitney Buys Houses. I've got some other projects planned. Whitney Buys Houses, A to Z Properties, East Property Holdings, Whitney Hauling and Trucking, and then She Buys It. You're going to see a lot more from She Buys It in 2019. And we've got other programs that we're going to be introducing in 2019 or reintroducing in 2019 as we finish up filming for those. And I'm super duper excited. I could not be more thrilled to have you on this journey with me. And I know I'm moving in right now, so everything's a little bit crazy, but here's another view. This is my board for Whitney Buys Houses. These are all the properties that I have right now. Those are some different projects that we're working on. Lots of stuff going on at Whitney Buys Houses. But I got one more thing that I want to show you, and just thank you so much for showing your support and being here with me. Last year, as I was growing, this is going to be 2019. You're going to see a lot more of this room in 2019 because I got a studio, y'all. My cameras aren't set up and my lights aren't here yet, but I've got them ordered. Check that out. I got pink carpet. Ooh, these videos in 2019 are going to be amazing. I've got the whole day to film on my weekly schedule so that I'll have more videos coming out and that will help you get your deals done, help you build your business, help you do all the things that you're wanting to do, all right? I'm going to spend a lot of time in this room with these whiteboards showing you how to get things done, how to get them accomplished. I've been filming for the last couple weeks in this room a mindset course. So if you are interested in either jumping into real estate, but you're not quite ready to get into First Deal Done Fast, or if you're in First Deal Done Fast and you need that booster to get rocking and rolling in 2019, I got a mindset course coming out and it's ready to rock and roll. It will be released a day at a time starting January the 1st. I've got the first 14 videos recorded and they will be released by the time you get to day 14. I will have the rest of January recorded. If you're seeing this after the 1st of January, the mindset course is going to be available anytime and every time. It's always a good day to get started working on your mindset so that you can go bigger, so that you can do better deals, so that you can see more opportunities and just get your mind in the game. All of the videos are between 5 and 10 minutes. They all have a little worksheet included so that you can follow through the video. And they all have little like mini mindset reboosts so that every day, either before you get out of bed, you can, watch a video, then hop out, get to it, or while you're putting your makeup on, you can watch a video and then, get in the car, take the kids, do your thing. All of it is short and sweet, all right? 5 to 10 minutes and a little mini mindset lesson or exercise to do for the next 24 hours till you get the next little drip and the next little drip and the next little drip. It's awesome. It's absolutely amazing. I'll drop a link to that. You definitely want to do that starting January the 1st. But if you're finding me in May or June or August or whatever, start it now. All right. When I went through my very first mindset training, which is with the lady that's in the bonus section of the mindset course, her name is Delora. She's up in Canada. She and I started working on my mindset in August of 2016. Okay, and she's been my coach, she's been my confidant, she's been my idea bouncer offer person for over 2 years, and she is providing awesome lessons also included in the mindset course as a bonus. Just totally included for free because I love you guys, and she does too. All right, because we want to help you get your deals done fast, and we know that your mind is probably the only thing stopping you. Seriously. So, again, I thank you from the absolute bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for hanging out with me this year. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. And get ready, be on the lookout, because 2019 is going to be amazing. You're going to see more about She Buys It, less about Whitney Buys Houses, more about how you can get your deals done. But not just real estate deals, how you can get business deals done, and how you can work deals like a lady, how you can buy businesses like you buy houses, like you buy shoes. All right? 2019 is going to be amazing. I am totally here for you. Let me know if you have any questions. Share it, like it, ask your mom to subscribe. Mwah! Bye, y'all.